Welcome to the second part of National Park. In this video, we will discuss some more national parks.
Assam. The first national park we have is Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Rivers such as Brahmaputra and Lohit in the north and Dibru in the south pass through this national park. One can find moist semi-green forests, moist mixed deciduous forests and grasslands here. The Gangetic dolphin, rhesus macaque, capped langur, rare white-winged wood duck, and black-breasted parrotbill can be found in the Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Recognized as a World Heritage Site, hosting the largest population of wild water buffalo, the next national park is Kaziranga National Park. The Brahmaputra River forms the northeastern boundary and the Mora Diflo forms the southern boundary of this national park. Dimflo and Mora Dhansiri are the other notable rivers passing through the Kaziranga National Park. One can find marshland and dense tropical moist broadleaf forest in this national park. One-horned rhinoceros, Royal Bengal tiger, Asian elephant, whitewater buffalo, and swamp deer, the big five terrestrial mammals, can be found in the Kaziranga National Park. Contiguous with the Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan, the next UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site of India is the Manas National Park. The Manas River flows through the west of the park. One can find the Bhabar Terai Formation in this national park. The Assam roofed turtle, hispid hare, golden langur, pygmy hog, wild water buffalo, rhinoceros, Bengal florican can be found in the Manas National Park. A prominent part of the Nameri Tiger Reserve. Next we have the Nameri National Park of Assam. The Jia Bhoroli, Bor Dekorai and Kameng River pass through this national park. Vegetation such as the tropical evergreen, semi-evergreen and moist deciduous forests can be found here. The Nameri National Park is home to the clouded leopard and dhole, which is the Asiatic wild dog. Loaded with the rich vegetation of forests, national forests and non-aquatic grass and plants, the next national park is the Orang National Park. River Brahmaputra pass from the southern side of this national park. The national park is home to the Indian rhinoceros, pygmy hog, Asian elephant, wild water buffalo, Bengal tiger, Gangetic dolphin and the Indian pangolin. Home to the scheduled tribal group Tharu, the next national park is the Valmiki National Park, which is located on the Indian-Nepal border, Bihar. The national park has a panoramic Himalayan terai landscape. Rivers such as Gandak, Narayani Nepal, Buri Gandak River pass through the south of the national park. One can find the moist mixed deciduous, open land vegetation, sub-mountainous semi-evergreen formation, and alluvial grasslands along with high hill savanna here. The national park is home to the Bengal tiger and the Indian rhinoceroses. Chhattisgarh. Named after Guru Ghasidas of the Satnami sect, the first national park we have is Guru Ghasidas Sanjay National Park. It is located in Korea, Chhattisgarh. The Banas River flows on the western side of the national park. One can find Narmada Valley dry deciduous forest and the tropical forest of Sakhua, Shoria robusta in this national park. The park is home to civet, porcupine, spotted deer and monitor lizard. The river Indravati. The next national park we have is Indravati National Park of Chhattisgarh. The park has tropical moist and dry deciduous forests. One can find wild Asian buffalo, gaur, chosingha, and flying squirrel here. Home to the huge limestone deposits of Kotu Masar caves and the nests of the Bastar Hill Mena, next national park we have is the Kanger Valley or the Kanger Ghati National Park. The Kanger River passes centrally from the northwestern to the southeastern direction from this park. One can find the mixed moist deciduous forest here. The park is home to striped hyena, rabbits, tigers, leopards, and mouse deer.
Previously known as the Molam Game Sanctuary, the Molam Bhagwan Mahavir National Park is located in Goa. The national park has tropical evergreen forest, semi-evergreen forest, and moist deciduous forest. One can find barking deer, bonnet macaque, flying squirrel, and Malabar giant squirrel in this national park. The national park is home to the herders of nomadic buffalo, known as the Dhankar community. One can find the beautiful Dudhsagar Falls and the terrific Tambadi Falls in the Molam Bhagwan Mahavir National Park. Gujarat, home to the largest population of lesser florican, Blackbuck Velavadar National Park is located in Velavadar, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. The national park lies between Parvalia and Alang rivers that drain into the Gulf of Cambay. Grassland, shrublands, saline plains, and mud flats can be found here. The national park is also a home to black buck. Home to the highest population of lions, next we have the Gir National Park. The Gir National Park is located in Gir, Junagadh, Gujarat. The national park has 7 major perennial rivers that pass through it. These include Hiran, Saraswati, Dadarti, Shingoda, Machundri, Godavari, and Raval. Semi-arid and deciduous forest can be found here. The Gir National Park hosts Asiatic lions and Magar crocodile. The lifeline of this national park is the Kamaleshwar Dam. The first national marine park of India is the Marine Gulf of Kachchh National Park. This national park is located on the southern coast of the Gulf of Kachchh, Jamnagar district, Gujarat. The national park is home to the Gangetic dolphins, giant crabs, rayfish, rarely found beluga whales, giant leatherback turtles, hornfish, colorful corals and sponges, giant sea anemone, jellyfish, seahorse, octopus, pearl oyster, Portuguese man of war, starfish, dolphin and shark. Also known as the Vansda National Park, next we have the Vansda National Park. The Vansda National Park is located on the Sahyadri Range, Western Ghats, Vansda Navsari district, Gujarat. The Ambika River flows through the park. The park has moist deciduous and dry deciduous forest. The Vansda National Park is home to the Indian giant squirrel, also known as the Malabar giant squirrel, rhesus macaque, Hanuman langur, and small Indian civet. The national park hosts tribal communities of Bhil, Gamit, Varli, Kokni, Kunbi, and Dangi.